That's why I'm kind of zooming in to see if we can get... You can see the little legs. Aw. Mom and baby. So cute.
Ones don't grow much in a horse. If you look, their legs are not that much different in length.
Right, they're pretty
So,
similar.
Like they only grow like an inch. The long bones only grow like an inch.
Okay. Wow. Oh my gosh, that baby's so cute.
You'll see they fight like boys on a playground. And you look at their halters, and you can see too where they've been chewing it. Like they just constantly sort of fart around, beating on each other, which is good
Right.
because so in a big field like this is a 40-acre field.
Mm-hmm.
In a race, if they were bounced around, it's not intimidating to them. Versus like if you said, "Well, how expensive is this horse?" Well, they're worth a lot of money, but you can't keep them wrapped in bubble wrap, you know.
Uh-huh. Am I allowed to pet him?
Yeah, you.
Hi, baby. You gonna bite me?
Like, see his halter? Can you see how they've been chewing on each other?
Oh, yeah. Aw. Look at all you guys. So cute. I love your colorings.
So he'll be more gray when he sheds out.
Oh, and there they go.
He's already got it. Oh, you got a handle.
Oh.
You got a handle on your nose. And this winter he has what's called, right?
You are so naughty. Hi, babies. I don't have any treats. I'm sorry. No care. Ooh. Spunky. You're definitely more the dominant, it seems like.
Oh, yeah, he is. Yeah, if you don't see their halter chewed on,
They're dominant. Oh my god, this is just perfect, like, photo hours and hours of taking photos. I know you want my cell phone. Oh, don't
here,
bite
let me
me.
get a picture here.
Oh, yes, please.
You stand.
No, don't even. Nope. I'm right just out of your reach. Oh, you guys are so pretty. Hi, baby. Hi, babies.
He's by one of our stats. Fantastic.
Hi, baby.
This one is first crop of Justify.
Love the
This is
names.
I like this guy. He's by Will Take Charge, who stands here.
Oh. Hi, babies. Oh, look, everyone's running over now.
So when they get, that horse has got a foot pack on. When they get out, so when the ground, if they step on a rock, I always tell people it's probably about like wearing a flip flop or something, right?
Yeah.
So if you stomped on a big rock with a flip flop, it'd hurt, right? When they get a bruise, what happens is it comes out as, you probably know, abscesses. So
Yeah.
he's got an abscess in his foot.
Oh. And it takes what, like 2 or 3 weeks for that to heal?
It depends. If you get them to open up in the bottom, it's better. But if they don't, they normally come out at the coronary band. You know, they'll just erupt.
Right. Oh, yeah.
And so I can see he had one that popped out the top. I don't know if you can see on his coronary band. He's got an inch on his right foot. He's got like a little black line right there. Can you see it? That's where it busted out.
Oh,
He had
yeah,
one
yeah.
that busted out the top.
Oh my goodness. Oh, there's everyone. Hi, babies. Some of you jump, some of you don't.
Made the girls jealous now.
Oh. Where's the oats? Where's the mince?
Yeah, I'm not a big spoiler. I don't really feed these. The racehorses sometimes we get them, or stallions, but I don't feed these young any treats.
Hi, babies. Oh, I don't have anything. That's you don't like the cell phone? Oh, look at you. You are pretty. Hi, babies. Yeah, I know better than to put my hand in between stuff because that's when it gets stuck or jammed or hurt. I don't have anything. I know. You're begging for it. It's pie day, so I'm walking into the Mellow Mushroom. It's a pizza place. Let's get some pizza. I just walked in and they have the cutest tree I've ever seen. I love that there's a giant piece of toilet paper in it. What a cool entrance. So what pie did I end up getting?